Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to talk about how much money you should be trading with so that you are overall managing your overall risk effectively. And this works well for anybody who is trading in any market. It doesn't have to be crypto necessarily, okay? Now, for those of you who are interested in trading and are new to the channel, if you would like to try the same exchange that I use on a regular basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the MEXC crypto exchange. You can find a link to it in the description below this video. I personally love this exchange because one, they allow me to trade crypto futures. In addition to that, I'm a huge altcoin nerd and I love buying small cap altcoins, and MEXC has all of those small cap altcoins. They have over 1,500 different altcoins for you to buy, all right? So here's the thing, you guys, all right? The biggest problem, all right? Literally, the biggest problem that I see is many newbie traders who try to trade, they end up using all of their capital in any given trade, all right? That is literally the biggest problem that I see, and it is a huge, huge mistake, all right? Now, you know, I can't blame them too much because, you know, to be brutally honest with you, when you start trading for your first time, you really don't know what you're doing. I mean, realistically, you really don't. So you don't know how to manage your trade or anything like that. But because what happens here is if you lose on a trade and you lose all of your money, then you have nothing left to trade with. So that's kind of the bad thing about using all of your capital in any given trade, okay? So this is why it is very important to manage your overall risk by only using a small percentage of your overall capital in any given trade, okay? So what do I mean by this when I'm talking about this? Well, what percentage should you trade with? Now, it really all depends on personal preference, okay? But me personally, I only trade with roughly 3 to 5% in any given trade, okay? Especially when I'm trading the futures market. And if you're not sure what 3 to 5% of your capital would be, you can always use a tool like this, like what I've got here. It's literally just calc.trade, and that's literally it, just calc.trade. And you can come here to help you figure it out. Now, here's how it works, all right? Let's say that you have, what I'm talking about here is, you know, I meet a lot of people from my YouTube channel who they come to me and they're like, okay, well, I only have $1,000 to trade with. And they're literally entering every trade with $1,000, okay? Realistically, you shouldn't be doing that, all right? So if you want to do something like how I do it, if you want to trade with 3 to 5%, let's say you want to trade with 5%, okay? You literally come to calc.trade, or if you can do math in your head, you can just use that as well. But if you have $1,000, you literally just put $1,000 here in total capital, and you put risk at 5%, and it tells you right here how much you should be trading with in each trade, which would be roughly around 50% or $50, okay? So realistically, that's pretty much how it works. It's literally that simple, all right? Now, let's say you make like $40 off of that. Then you come back here again and you type in, you know, 1,040 because now your overall capital is, you know, $1,040 instead of, you know, $1,000. So 5% of that would be roughly $52. So you would enter your next trade with $52 instead. And it's literally that simple. So as you guys can clearly see, yeah, the amount that you're trading with is much smaller, but the key thing here is, you guys, is your risk is overall smaller when you're trading with less capital. Therefore, if you lose it on a bad trade, then you've got more money to use it on other trades to make it back. It's literally that simple, okay? So guys, that's literally all there is to say about what I wanted to talk about here in this video. So I hope all of this made sense, but if any of you guys have any questions about this or anything, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter. I love helping people. So if you got questions, anything, literally just ask, you guys. Other than that, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section down below of my future videos.